see what has happened here, yeah? It's amazing. Today it's our day, the day of our company.
I'm so excited because I see so much passion here from the people. Hello Macau, we would like to welcome all of you from all over the world here at the World Convention 2018.
People love the company and of course we love the people also.
My job is to empower you.
We've got to thank you guys because it was you guys that made this possible.
December 2018, we will release the new social media FutureNet.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
And this is why we met Roman and Stefan, because they have both feet on the ground and they want to help you. They have a generous compensation plan we never ever saw in the life.
Together we can change the world.
There's another one, another one.
With the biggest team right now in FutureNet.